Mediation is a fantastic way of helping you address the financial issues that you need to explore. It's a very hands-on, practical way of helping you look at all the options that are available to you. We follow the legal process to the extent that we require full disclosure of your respective financial circumstances before we can start to explore all of those options that are available. That may mean that we need to obtain your bank statements, pension statements, mortgage statements, and more. We, as the mediator, will talk you through all of the information that you need to bring to the process. That will be exchanged between you, and it's only once we've obtained the full financial picture can we start to redistribute that picture to create two separate images, one for each of you. We'll ensure that any outcome is going to work for you both practically and financially, balanced against the options that would be available through a court process to ensure that that outcome is reasonable and fair in all the circumstances. Be rest assured within the mediation process, we will undertake a thorough financial investigation. What I mean by that is we will look at all of your financial disclosure and we will work through that together. However, if at any time you have concerns that there is not full and frank disclosure, we can refer you to seek some independent legal advice so that the lawyer that you appoint can work through all of that information and advise you appropriately to identify whether or not the information you have meets the legal requirements. You can then bring the benefit of that advice to the mediation process to continue with our discussions. Pensions and any other finances need to be disclosed within the mediation process. Invariably, if you are seeking a divorce, pensions will play a role. But what we'll do in the mediation process is provide you with all of the information you need in a way that hopefully makes sense to you to help you apply that to your set of circumstances. We'll look at the range of options, whether that's pension sharing or offsetting against other resources, in particular properties. But pensions are relevant and information will need to be provided in that respect. The outcome of the mediation process is not legally binding. Your mediation process is there to provide you with effectively the negotiating forum to provide you with the outcomes that are best for you. What we will do at the end of the process is provide you with a package of documents called a Memorandum of Understanding and a complete financial statement. We will hand that to you to go to your solicitors or what other representative you require, who will then advise you on the outcome that you've reached in mediation, and it is they who will put it into a legally binding format, which may be by way of a consent order, which is rubber stamped by a court, but not a process whereby you would need to go to court.